Well, so we are at this decathlon. We are part of the BCF events. So this is how it is, and we are here. It is 9:30 at night, and this is the first time I'm at at this is a very pretty doctor who's with us, and this is Dr. Monica, right? She's from Jipma. And how has been your experience so far being with BCF?
BCF, I did already two trips with them, and I love BCF and I trust it. Everyone should go with BCF because for a single female traveler also it is very secure. And this is my third trip, and I'll tell you at the end of the trip how beautiful it is.
Awesome! And I will be uploading this and tagging the people at BCF. So truly, it's highly recommended. Ayush, what is your opinion? It's nice, absolutely. So this is the first stop of the all-night event organized by BCF.